10 unknown facts about Farzan Dastur. First, Farzan Dastur is an Indian actor, writer, and filmmaker. Second, he was born on 2nd November 1991 in Mumbai, India, to a Parsi family. Third, Farzan Dastur attended St. Mary's ICSE and HR College of Commerce and Economics. Fourth, he started acting at age 4 in commercials, becoming famous as the Jalebi Boy in the Dhara ad. Fifth, Farzan remembered for his line, "तुसी जा रहे हो, तुसी ना जाओ" in कुछ कुछ होता है, 1998. Sixth, he appeared in major films like Mohabbatein 2000, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum 2001, and Gadar 2001. Seventh, Farzan Dastur played the titular character in Parzania 2007 and the lead in Sikandar 2009, earning a Stardust Award nomination. Eighth, Farzan wrote and starred in the short film Pocket Money 2017 and co-founded 10 Color Productions. Ninth, he worked as an assistant director on films like Student of the Year 2012. He is a trained pianist and singer. 10th, Farzan married his college classmate Delna Shroff in a Parsi ceremony in 2021. Subscribe the channel.